Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This homely and comfortable single-family residence is located in Rickets Drive, Runaway Bay, St. Anne, and is just walking distance from the popular Flavors Beach, with the Jewels Hotel golf course sitting immediately behind. This is yours to call home or just for a family getaway or vacation villa. It consists of 3 bedrooms with full bathrooms and closed closet en suite. There is also helper's quarters with bathroom, kitchen, dining room, living room, terrazzo tiling, laundry room slash storeroom, and it has an enclosed rear patio. This house also has a secure carport and veranda area that is grilled throughout, a swimming pool with deck for Sunday fun day. This house also has a secure carport and veranda area that is grilled throughout, a swimming pool with deck for Sunday fun day activities, and surveillance cameras for your added safety and comfort. The land area of this house is 27,769 square feet, and some other features includes garden area, water heater, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, fully walled, central location, easy access, private setting, quiet area, landscaped, level lot, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 50.5 million or US $320,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.